Hello to all my friends out there. So this is some rice milk tea. Okay, you have black tea. I don't know if you can see this, but this is really hot. For a little cup like this, you need about 1 teaspoon sugar. And it's going to come out better if your tea is really hot. And if you want to drink this as cold tea, mix the sugar in the hot tea. And then all I did was I boiled my rice and I reserved the milk. And you need about 1/3. And that's going to give you a tasty and milky, nice, tasty, yummy tea.